Hi, and welcome back to PixelPia. Today we are going to talk about Zazzle again, but we're going to do it from a different perspective. Today I want to show you some of the really fun and unusual things you can put your art on when it comes to Zazzle. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are on Zazzle, and the first thing we are gonna do, I have opened all these tabs up at the top here for us to be able to see some of the unusual and fun things we can create. Most of these are things that you can make so they can be personalized by your customer. And the first tab here is USB drives, flash drives. They have this swivel drive, they have this maple drive, and they have this flash drive. And you can see examples here about how people have created. So that is one thing that is a little unusual for print on demand. The next one here is wireless chargers. And as you can see, they are an acrylic one and a non-slip one. And as you can see, there are many different ways to create art for these. And then we have something that I'm actually thinking of creating one just for myself. And these are dry erase board. Or what about desk accessories like paperweights or nameplates for a desk, business card holders. I personally like these paperweights. They are in glass and we have 3 different shapes of them. Another fun thing to do if you're a group going, for example, on vacation together is to make sunglasses. And as you can see down here, you can have a design on the side, or you can even have a design on the glasses themselves. And they are 3 different models you can choose from. And talking about vacation, what about making your own custom luggage, or maybe just the luggage tag? Let's take a look at some of the luggages here. As you can see, you can use the middle panel here sideways, or this one has a logo and maybe a QR code. I think that is rather fun. They are not the cheapest one. They are right now on sale for $220 some, but maybe it's something that you are interested. They also have jewelry like watches where you create the face inside, some necklaces and earrings and bracelets. This I think is a fun one because I have recently learned how to play pickleball, and you can create your own pickleball racket. Or maybe you are a skateboarder. They have 4 different sizes of skateboard. And here, tailgate and lawn games. I think this is so fun. You can make your own beer pong table, or you can create your own cornhole. Or maybe you just want to create the bags. Maybe you already have your cornhole tables, so you can make bags for your cornhole. You can make a topple tower, and you can make stadium seat cushions or frisbees. In sports, you can also make golf balls, ping pong rackets, yoga mats, basketballs, and a lot of other things. And maybe you are into music or someone you know. You can make your own guitar picks or your own drumsticks. Now let's move indoors. Did you know that you can create your own light switch covers and even your own table lamps here? Or why not your own doormat? And this is glassware and barware and bar tools. A beer glass, wine glass, shot glasses, decanters, coasters and champagne glasses. This is for your garden. Of course, you can create designs, but I like, for example, these custom house flags or custom garden flag. A lot of things to choose from here. And this is for the car enthusiast. Make your own license plate or alumni license plate frame or even car mats. Or maybe you want to make a bumper sticker or a magnet for a car. And the last thing I want to talk about is when we talk about art and wall decorations. You can actually make these tapestries. They are made on fabric and have as a backdrop for a birthday, a baby shower, bridal shower, or a wedding. What do you think? This was just a few of the things that you can create that are different, fun, and got me inspired at least to start creating different things for my Zazzle store. In my next video I will talk about Zazzle again, and this time I will talk about how to make your storefront a little better organized and maybe even inviting by using categories and collections. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified on when I upload. Until next time, bye!